So as you guys can see, we have in the background. You. Ords. We're leaving, guys. See? End of an era. End of an era na po sa Taft. Mommy! Yun lang naman. Bye. Tuloy ulit lang sa mga pagliligpit namin. Because, guys, magki 3 AM na, okay? Bukas na ulit kayo update. Empty na. Yan lahat ng clothes ko. Gamit. Yan na konti. And then tomorrow we're leaving na. Vlogmas of this year. So as you guys can see, we have a new background because guys, we moved out, okay? And then we moved into a new condo. So ayun guys, samahan nyo kami mag-settle in and then wala. So samahan nyo ako mag-settle in guys. Kaya yun, I'll just update you guys later kasi dahil pa namin gagawin and dahil pa namin nilinisin mga gamit dito, okay? So, you enter, you're gonna see the kitchen kaagad. Yan, dyan siya. And then, yan na yung whole condo. So, this one, we moved into a smaller unit na. This is the bedroom. Yan siya, guys. Like, super bare pa kasi wala pa yung mga gamit. Naglilipat pa kami at the moment. And here's the CR. Hi! Ayan. Tapos, how do you feel naman na your favorite daughter, ano na talaga siya? Like, talagang totoo na to. Talagang independent living na siya.
Paano mo nalaman? Palagay ko kuya mo lagi dito.
Hindi ko siya tatanggapin. Hindi ko siya papapasukin sa
Video naman, video.
Yung. Sabi mo muna, yung. Mami, sige na kasi, isa lang. Ay, sayaw ka muna, Mi. Yung.
Nag-enjoy ulit ako ng Monday or Tuesday.
Whatever, bye. Hey besties, happy Sunday. So today is December 10 and wala, hindi ako nakapag-update hapon kasi wala naman akong ginawa and then dumating yung relatives ko so nag-entertain ako, hindi lang sila umuwi. So now, pupunta naman ako ng Mega Mall real quick because I'm gonna have to find an outfit for my upcoming Christmas party with my friends. So, yun lang naman guys, maging ganap ko and I'll bring you guys along with me. Hi besties! So, ayan, kanina pa ako nakauwi actually. Naligo ako, I ate dinner, and then, wala lang. I just wanna show you guys things that I bought kanina. So, basically, nagpunta ako ng Mega Mall. Wala akong napala. Cause, I don't know, for some reason, wala talagang magaganda guys. Kahit nilibot ko na lahat ng mga stores na pinupuntahan ko. Usually, kung saan ako bumibili ng mga damit. Wala talaga akong mahanap. So, tapos, ito pa, like, super daming tao. Okay, gets. Kasi nga naman, holiday rush na, malapit na mag-Christmas, blah, blah, blah. And it's a Sunday din naman. So, yun. Buti na lang, walang traffic kanina. So, pumunta ako ng Magnolia naman para maghanap ulit ng damit. So, ayan guys. I got 3 things lang naman from Mango, Plains and Prints, and Monkey. So, the reason kung ba't ako naghahanap ng damit is because kailangan ko talaga ng damit for our Christmas party. Which will happen on Friday? Yeah, Friday. Oo, hindi Saturday. Friday. So, ayun. Nataw lang sa inyo ng super quick yung mga nabili ko. And then, tomorrow, ito ako mag-update sa inyo, okay? So, first off, I got this from Monkey. This one's on sale. Kaya ako lang din siya binili. This one's a denim like polo. Na pwede mo rin siyang parang gawing jacket or something. Ayan, ganyan siya. Medyo oversized. And I like the color because dark denim siya. And then second is from Mango naman. From Mango, isa lang binili ko. It's like a basic tee lang. I was actually looking for a white shirt pero wala. So instead, I got ito. Gray lang siya. Color gray na super plain. Super perfect lang when you're like super tamad to, alam mo yun, outfit, umaura-aura. And then last guys, eto na yung outfit ko. Oh, outfit reveal ka agad. Okay lang naman, kasi by the time na ma-upload ko to, I'm very much sure tapos na yung Christmas party namin. So, hindi naman na kailangan surprise. So, eto, I got this one from Prince and Prince. Actually, may una na akong nagustuhan sa H&M. Pero, eto talaga, napumunta ako ng Prince and Prince. Naganda ako talaga siya, guys. Co-ords. Ayan. Co-ord siya, na color red. Mag-insert na lang ako ng picture ko wearing this. Pagtapos na ng Christmas party namin, pag naka-aura na ako and everything. So, let's eat dinner. Ngayon lang akong kakain ng dinner. It's, I think, almost 9 p.m. na. So, I just cook saba. Ayan, ginisa ko lang siya, guys. Kain tayo, ma. Basically, guys, the reason why I'm still here sa Manila kasi may Christmas party pa akong attended on Friday and then on Thursday naman, I have a seminar pa. So, yun. Pero basically, tapos na talaga ako ngayong Monday sa school. Kasi, yun na, last day of finals na kanina. Isa lang naman yung in-exam namin. So, anyways, yun lang guys. So, yun. Sama ko na lang kayo guys ano magiging ganap ko tomorrow. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung ano magiging ganap ko tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my dinner and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm currently here at Sunny's. Nagpa-check lang ako ng eyes kasi the past few days napansin ko parang lumabo na yung glasses ko. So yun, tama nga ako. Lumabo talaga. Tumaas ulit yung grade ko. So yun, guys, I super love the new clinic of Sunny's. Like, ito, maganda yun nasa Magnolia nila. Ayan. Super loves. Very aesthetic. Very Sunny's. Guys, good morning. So I'm on my way out. My agenda for today is go to hospital, papa-check up, and then go to Rockwell. So, yun lang. Basically, yun lang naman yung gagawin ko. Anyways, bye-bye na. Mamaya ako mag-update kasi, guys, late na ako sa appointment ko sa doctor. Okay? Bye! Guys, nakikita nyo pa yan? So, after 5 hours ko nasa, actually 6 hours, after 6 hours ko nasa Cardinal, grabe. Maglalakad pa ako kasi wala akong mabook na Grab. So now I'm going to GH to meet my friend kasi wala na akong choice guys. So papahatid na ako sa kanya. So yun, mamaya ako na kayo update. Bye! Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday and today is going to be my last day na papasok sa school. So anyway guys, malilate na ako kasi wala akong mabook na Grab. So today, magiging ganap ko lang naman is meron kaming volunteer sa Red Cross. So yun lang naman basically. And update ko lang kayo later, okay? Kasi late talaga ako. Bye! As usual, late na naman tayo. Right over